In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync calendar with Google Calendar in Clio Manage. By the end, your appointments will flow smoothly between Clio Manage and your Google Calendar, helping you stay organized without double entry. First, make sure you're signed in to your Clio Manage account. From the left sidebar, open Settings. This is your control center for personal preferences and integrations. If you don't see the sidebar right away, hover your mouse along the left edge of the screen, or expand the menu so the labels are visible, then click Settings. Next, under the Personal section, select Contact and Calendar Sync. This area is dedicated to connecting your contacts and calendars with outside applications, and it's exactly where you'll manage your Google Calendar connection. Now, look for the Google Calendar option and click Connect Google Calendar. This begins the linking process and will take you through a secure Google sign-in so Clio Manage can sync events with your selected calendar. When prompted, sign in with the Google account you want to use with Clio Manage. If you use multiple Google accounts, be sure to choose the one that holds the calendar you rely on most for your schedule. Using the correct account here ensures everything syncs to the right place. You'll then see a permissions screen from Google. Review the requested permissions carefully. These allow Clio Manage to view and, when enabled, add or update events on your Google Calendar so your schedule stays current across both platforms. When you're comfortable with that, click Allow to authorize the connection. After authorization, you'll land back in Clio Manage to choose your sync settings. Select which calendars you want to sync from the list that appears. If you have several calendars in Google, such as a primary calendar and project-specific ones, choose only the ones you need to keep your schedule focused. Configure any available sync preferences to match how you work, such as which calendar new events should go to by default or how items should appear once synced. You can adjust these choices later if your needs change. To wrap up, click Save or Finish Setup to complete the synchronization. Your connection is now active. Within a short time, you should see events begin to appear where you expect them. Initial syncing can take a moment, especially if you have a busy calendar, so give it a little time. If you ever need to update your preferences, return to the same contact and calendar sync area to make changes. That's it. Your Google Calendar and Clio Manage are now working together to keep your schedule accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching.